Hi, I'm Shailyn and I've been trying to sew everything I can for my wedding. I made a video a couple weeks ago of me using the Laela Jeyne Reed Trouser pattern. You can click right here to see the video of how I did the fitting and how I made all the different changes of the trousers. The pattern pieces needed for the trousers are 2 front and back leg pieces, 2 front pocket pieces, 4 back pocket pieces, 4 welt pieces, 1 fly extension, and 2 of each right and left waistbands. I did omit the belt loops, not on purpose, but with our theme being old Hollywood, suspenders totally work fine. For the inner facing, I need the fly extension, right and left waistband pieces, front pocket edge pieces, and a welt square. Here I'm ironing on the front pocket edge pieces. The inner facing keeps the pocket opening from flapping around and lay flat. Once that's ironed on, the pockets are sewn in. Now I'm sewing all the darts and pleats that I added in during the fitting. Since I changed the pattern and fit, I had to figure out where the back pockets should go. Once I figured that out, I could iron down the welt square, sew the welt pieces and pockets down, cut open the pockets, and then flip the pockets to the inside. I did a zigzag stitch to keep the pocket closed. This just helps for the final fitting. Now I'm gonna pin and sew the pant legs together. Now that the trousers are put together, I can work on the fly. Since the pant legs are mirrored, I had to cut off the excess from one side. Then I used the zigzag stitch on all the edges, including the fly extension, to keep the fabric from fraying. The zipper is first stitched onto one side, cut at the right length, and the other side of the zipper is then attached to the fly extension. The waistband is the final piece that's attached to the trousers. The inner facing is ironed on, then the waistband pieces get stitched together. Once that's flipped right side out, one side of the waistband gets attached to the trousers. Here I'm ironing the seam allowance over. This will help keep the inside of the trousers look neat. Once the seam allowance is pressed and pinned in place, the inside of the waistband gets stitched on. I stitched in the ditch, which basically means that I sew directly on the seam, making it look pretty much invisible from the right side. A buttonhole foot makes sewing buttonholes super quick and easy. Once the button is sewn, I check where the placement of the button goes, then finally hand stitch the button on. Finally, I have to open up the buttonhole. So I have 1 month left until the wedding. I still have to make his coat for the 3-piece suit, and then I have to work on my dress ASAP. If you want to see more of my wedding shenanigans, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.